problem that most manufacturers have is how to stay competitive, how to differentiate themselves from their competition. The world's changing so fast. CEOs of manufacturing companies have a hard time to keep abreast of what are the new trends, what's happening out there, what are the changes, and they rely on MRC to give them that information.
The pressures in manufacturing are large. You have to stay up to date with the latest manufacturing techniques, what's available and what have you. MRC has been that source in order to figure out how to compete with competitive pressures from around the world.
The MRC really has had fantastic training, and it's our first stop for training when we look for new needs. The Manufacturing Leadership Institute has been great for our mid and higher level management, and the Lean Master program, the Lean Master certification and Green Belt programs have been very good in terms of manufacturing efficiency efforts. They bring those tools back and they apply them in the plant with good impact on financials, productivity, quality, and other areas within the plant.
The MRC has helped us in the last 12 months with two major projects that had a dramatic impact on our organization. The first one is our customers like to add on or change their orders, and our sales attitude has always been whatever the customer wants, the customer gets. That's fine, except that when it starts to impact all the other customers that we deal with. So the MRC worked with us on developing a policy and getting consensus among the entire organization as to what we would do and what we would not do. And that was really impactful for us. The second project that they helped us with was we have a customer that has over 90 locations across the country that we ship to. And they take bits and pieces of product from all aspects of our operation and combine them onto orders. The MRC worked with us on developing policies and procedures for our operation and material handlers to follow to actually build the orders as they came off the manufacturing lines, rather than pushing everything into a warehouse and then trying to go and pick and sort out of that mass of product in the warehouse. The MRC helps us by bringing additional resources to the table to work on projects that we just wouldn't be able to get done otherwise.
The MRC has provided training, and especially leadership training, for many of our people here at B. Braun. They have been fantastic in bringing multi-layers of specialized manufacturing training. Some of those at high levels, such as the MLI, the Manufacturing Leadership Program. They also have brought in Supervisor Boot Camp. And what's been really helpful too is we've gone to their offices and been able to take our people off-site to dedicate them for these days of training. And it's really made a difference in the mindset of our people.
The solar array produces around 20% of our total power, which saves us about $6,000 a month in electric fees, and it paid for itself within 34 months of installation. In fact, the solar array that we would not have if it were not for MRC. The MRC rep at the time came to us to tell us about solar grants that were available.
MRC has a track record. They've got, they've just got the history and the experience that you know what you're going to get when you go to work with MRC.
I would absolutely recommend the MRC to any manufacturer anywhere in the world. It's a great resource to have. They're great people and just really comfortable to work with.
Without the MRC, we would not have done a number of the programs that we have done. The resources simply aren't available at the caliber that MRC provides in this area.
We have the ability to solve pretty much any problem they might have. We could do it internally with our own consultants. We have a broad base of third parties that are both national and local to solve their problems. And that's our main mission, is that you have an issue, we can tell you where to go to get it solved.